follow Charlene. There. Yung ano, ang aso.
Ito muna. Ito muna sinasabi niya sa akin. Kung di ba sabi mo matagal na mo? Hindi kaya ano yun sa mama niya. Talagang one room siya. Ano dyan, makataludong ka.
This is one like
one room.
one
It's
apartment.
office before.
But
Office.
Laya, pwede ay pero may naka-star din eh.
Yung nanay niya.
Okay.
The mother of the owner.
Hanggang taas.
Is she's a senior citizen but she's not not there.
She's not there. This is what's for rent?
Yes. Pero ito yung
But this is the other
Tapos
one.
yung pero hindi itong main door, doon ang main door.
Okay.
Exit nila.
The main door is on the other side. Okay. This is like for the exit for like
This is for
cup of coffee.
not this.
Not this. Like this is another one.
Another one.
Okay. So let's go there.
Rent for long time. Maybe you can.
Yeah. And this one also for rent. Okay.
Kasi kami, nabigyan na
Hi sa diyang main main gate there, the other side. I see.
You can swim if you like.
Not today.
Not today when you... Okay, let's follow Charlene. May basketball.
10 person.
Ay, kadamo.
Una sila.
Base
frustrate kasi.
makaot ang mga...
Ulam.
Oo, base makaot ang mga ano.
Diba?
Oo. Wow.
Ako sa dati ang agent. Pinapabili dati 10 million. 10 million dati ito. Tapos, nagbago ang isip nila.
Rent na lang.
Paano lang na Airbnb na lang nga.
Oo. This is for sale before.
What?
This is for sale before. But now they just want it for rent.
Ninang siya ng panganay ko. Pwede na masakit daw. Nakaaral na. Sabi ko kanya makagulo.
So this was the door.
This is the door.
That they're going to their...
Right.
Okay.
Kaya nga. Sa taas. Teka.
Okay, let's go upstairs. Wow.
Tapos dito, meron din dito.
So
You can
beautiful.
use the
Ano yan?
kitchen. Ay, nakalak. Ayun dirty kitchen nila. Pero hindi siya dirty. Yes, yes. And this one, at the back, maid's room. 2 rooms. Kaya malaki yan dyan sa likod.
Let's go.
Ay, wala akong
Oh my gosh. Kung kami lang dinadawa,
Kaya nga, kayo dito. Tapos ang gagamitin nilang isang room. Dito, sa kita.
everything will be taken care well. Gayon.
What?
Wow.
Dati, iniiwan ako dito. Yung anak ko.
Pa may powder room dyan.
Ayan.
Okay.
Nandito pa yung TV niya.
Para yung dito sa...
Maglalagay tayo, maglalagay siya dito ng TV. May TV is malaki before.
Wow, there's also there. Huh?
Ganda ng mo ganito. Yan, safe dito.
Kagayong. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. There's chandelier. There is the...
Ito yung mga rooms.
Didi pa may ano pa. May terrace pa.
Nasa baba yung room eh. Dalawa. Ito na 3.
Ay, dito si
Ini amin ang amin ang get.
Not hot water.
There's hot water, yeah.
Ito yung room ito kaso nakasara na dito. Ay, nakabukas. Ayan.
How many bedrooms?
Ayan. Dami yan.
Ang dami.
Nakaburo kasi. Ito kasi yung
What's the age?
Ayan.
This is one room.
Ayan din na sila.
A small room.
Diba? Ayan din na.
No. Oh, there's a AC in the corner there.
Dito ako dati nag-tutor.
Asan ang ano ang
I was the one who teach their child.
asan ang master's bedroom?
What'd you
Ito
teach?
yung master's bedroom. Oo, kasi nakalak. Kasi syempre, mas itong sabi niya ginagamit niya. Ay, nakalak. Ito. Ayan.
Sa day lang palaan.
Oo. Kung ito ang gusto niyo upahan, siguro ko, ito lang ang bubuksan para sa inyo.
Oo. Lai, at least doon na ang
Isa
gusto
ko,
niya. Kasi gigibuan na
pero
parang
inikliyente ako
studio
din.
ang ano, ang saro.
Ano,
Nice, very nice the bathroom.
one family ang ano ko dito. Ang
We see in this room. Oh, yeah, there's
So, yeah.
all the splitting
Oh, it's
inside.
nice. Ano, yeah.
And there is oh wow, look at here.
Hindi, depende sa usapan nila kung gusto nilang uupahan nila lahat ang kwarto kasi per room ini yata
Oops.
buong bahay. Depende sa ano sa usapan.
Pwede nila paupahan yung pag may maupa. Wala mang problema, di ba?
Oo, kasi ano na pag Airbnb baga magsasabay-sabay
So
pa.
somebody living
Kasi
here?
per room na siya.
The owner at the moment.
Ang owner sabi, kumari ko.
It's good outside, huh?
Well, I can hear the water. There's water all over.
Oh, is it? Oh, you go inside the ano?
Yeah, water.
Ah, yeah, we just need to put some.
Hindi, dati, ano lang hindi, parang
But it's good. Look at the outside.
Okay, so there's somebody living here right now.
The owner, yeah. But be careful in here.
Dili ka maano, dili ka samantalang ano yan na ano.
This is another room.
Oo. Dati, butik na
There's
nila.
is that AC?
Mabintao na taas baba. Sa kabay
There's an AC as well.
Utility.
And this one from outside. Oh, yeah, water. Ay, may tagas din ni Charlene. Oh. Nasubrahan sa uran.
Oo.
Dapat maanuhan ini mga karaot sa diyan sa loob. Mabutangan. Pabutangan mo dito sa ano, sing trapo.
Diba? Ganda.
You gotta watch if you go outside.
They're Filipino.
Yes, they are Filipino.
Pero tingnan mo.
Oo, yeah, beautiful. Oh. Mm.
Kasi ito, kwarto ito ng boy.
And that
Na. Yung
ang anak mo.
tinuturuan ko. Tapos, yung sa kabila, girl. Yung babae. Ano, labas-pasok ako dito.
So ito na lalaki ang nagki-caretaker din eh. Okay. Let's close this one.
So, ano dito, dagdagan matahimik. Very
So guys, this is the house. This is one house that we look. It's not really a house. It's like a villa. So it says 50,000 rent per month. Wow. But you can occupy the whole, and it has two pool. I think the owner will to do this as an Airbnb or like a hotel. It's not yet done. They are doing the furnishing and everything, and yeah, so it's a bit pricey. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you again on my next YouTube video. Goodbye.